When we are talking about survivor's guilt, we are talking about a person who has a number of negative feelings related to the fact that he has survived from a situation where others have either been very badly affected or have perished. It used to be initially associated with natural disasters like earthquakes and floods and building collapses. And over a period of time, it got associated also with things like pandemics. So currently, given the COVID pandemic, there's a huge amount of people who somehow believe that, in a sense, they do not have the right to have survived when there are people around them who are in the same situation or in a similar situation, either got the COVID or perished. Over a period of time, it also became symptomatic with something called post-traumatic stress disorder. And when we are talking about this, we are talking about people who constantly relive what they've been through, who find themselves being very irritable, who are often angry, who are often socially withdrawn. When they sleep, they have problems because they're constantly reliving whatever the experiences that they have been through. And occasionally there is tremendous depression, tremendous anxiety, and even feelings of suicide. Survivor's guilt also depends on the person's personality. So if a person is normally anxious and normally depressed, then the chances that he will have survivor's guilt goes up. A person who has survivor's guilt generally feels that he has done something wrong by being able to survive, and often almost obsessively goes over the same situation over and over again, wondering what he did right or he did wrong that enabled him to survive when others did not. Most people manage over a period of time to cope with it. They talk about it, they may discuss the situation with friends and family, and they manage to survive over a period of time. But there is a certain percentage of people which get into severe anxiety and depressive symptoms, and occasionally are also suicidal because they just believe that they do not have the right to live. In such a situation, it might be necessary then for them to seek counseling or even get put on medication to enable them to cope with their feelings of distress. There is no getting away from the fact that given the increase in the number of calamities that we are seeing, whether they are hurricanes or floods or building collapses or wars or insect infestation or now the virus pandemic, the number of people who seem to be surviving and who are feeling guilty about the fact that they are surviving is increasing, and we are having to deal more and more with more and more people.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.